Something huge just dropped from OpenAI, and it's about to change everything. It's called Operator. And no, this isn't just another chatbot. Operator is an autonomous AI agent that can execute complex workflows, interact with multiple systems, and make decisions on its own. It's not just a tool, it's a force multiplier. So what exactly is Operator? How does it work? And should we be excited or absolutely terrified? Let's find out. Operator is OpenAI's most ambitious AI agent to date. Unlike traditional AI models that assist users in isolated tasks, Operator takes things a step further. It doesn't just generate responses, it takes action. Imagine having an AI that can book flights, manage your emails, schedule meetings, write reports, optimize data workflows, and even automate an entire business operation without requiring constant human intervention. That's Operator. It can execute commands across multiple platforms, integrate with APIs, and even troubleshoot problems in real time. Think of it as an AI-powered executive assistant, but on steroids. But Operator isn't just for personal productivity. It's designed to transform industries. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to entertainment, Operator can manage logistics, analyze vast amounts of data, and even make critical business decisions faster than human teams ever could. In other words, it's not just assisting workers, it's redefining how work gets done altogether. So how does Operator pull this off? It all comes down to three core capabilities. First, autonomous task execution. Operator doesn't just assist, it actively performs tasks end to end. For example, if you tell it to handle your social media strategy, it won't just draft posts, it will schedule them, analyze engagement, and adjust content accordingly. It can even detect market trends and suggest viral topics before they blow up. Second, multi-agent coordination. Operator isn't just one AI. It can function as a network of specialized AI agents working together. One agent can handle data analysis, another can manage communication, and another can oversee logistics, all collaborating seamlessly. This means it can run entire departments on autopilot, scaling operations beyond what any single human team could achieve. And third, context-aware decision-making. Operator isn't just blindly executing commands. It understands user intent, adapts to changes, and even makes strategic recommendations based on real-time data. Need to launch a product? Operator will analyze customer feedback, optimize your marketing strategy, and deploy an entire campaign without breaking a sweat. It's not just about automation, it's about intelligence at scale. This is where things get really interesting, because Operator isn't just a convenience tool, it's a paradigm shift. In the corporate world, businesses could drastically reduce operational costs by automating decision-making and workflow execution. Customer service? Automated. Data analytics? AI-driven. Supply chain management? Optimized in real time. But it's not just businesses that will feel the impact. Individuals will too. Operator could function as a supercharged personal assistant, capable of handling everything from your finances to your travel plans without you lifting a finger. It could manage your investments, track your fitness goals, and even anticipate your needs before you even think of them. But here's where things get complicated. With great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, massive ethical concerns. First, job displacement. If Operator can handle high-level decision-making and execute workflows without human oversight, what happens to millions of jobs in industries that rely on those tasks? We've already seen automation reshape the job market. Operator could accelerate that shift at an unprecedented scale. Second, AI autonomy and control. An AI that can take independent action is a double-edged sword. What happens when Operator makes a decision that's legally or ethically questionable? Or worse, what if it gets hacked? An AI that has the power to execute financial transactions, make hiring decisions, or control critical infrastructure needs airtight safeguards. And third, privacy and security. For Operator to function at its best, it needs deep access to personal and corporate data. How do we ensure it isn't exploited, either by bad actors or even by the companies controlling it? There's also the question of AI regulation. If Operator becomes too powerful, should governments step in? Should there be restrictions on its decision-making capabilities? And if so, who gets to decide what limits to impose? These are not small questions, and they'll shape how Operator is deployed moving forward. Despite the concerns, one thing is certain. AI agents like Operator are the future. The internet is evolving, and AI is no longer just a tool, it's taking the driver's seat. Soon, we might see Operator like AI running entire companies, managing global supply chains, and even making policy recommendations. The question is, are we ready? Are we looking at a future of unparalleled efficiency, or are we creating something we won't be able to control? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to watch this next video about OpenAI O3.